Hi, this is Mike.
And Stephanie.
And we're trekking to Bonita Falls, Big Falls in San Bernardino National Forest.
So what's going on today, Layla?
Oh, out of all these people, just me?
Because I know you'll say something.
Sweet.
Layla, did you already break?
It shrunk.
It's not meant for that. First trip out. Fail. Free parking on that lot. Paid parking on that lot. Free. Pay.
So Big Falls, it's one of the largest year-round waterfall. And quick fact, at the very top of the waterfall,
So this is kind of scary. If somebody fell off of this, that would not be good.
there's some boulders where a lot of people actually lost their lives.
Unstable cliff. Wow, claim many lives.
They called it the Blood Rock. So if you go here, wear some nice gear so you don't slip, and you should be safe. Just watch your step, because I almost fell right there.
Never ever quit, I just kept on pursuing. Never ever quit, I just kept on pursuing. Never ever quit, I just kept on pursuing. Kept on pursuing. Kept on pursuing. Yeah.
So here's the falls, one of them I think. Super short hike. We're probably gonna start climbing up and seeing what else is up there. They're starting the way up the hike. There's the top, I believe. I don't know if you can see it.
There's Layla and Ethan. They're at the top of the Big Falls, and we're gonna trek there right now.
Climbed up where Layla is.
Oh my gosh.
How was it? Was it freezing? You dunked your face in?
He told me that I told him that if he did it, I did it. So he did, then I did it.
It's gonna fall.
There's Mark and May. Caitlin and John.
Lean forward a little bit.
That's cool. Wow. So how would you rate this hike, babe?
I would rate it a 10.
It was fun. Yeah, it was nice.